I had full mouth implants, both upper and lower, in April of 2018. My teeth were in deplorable shape. My husband was constantly saying, "You need to do something about this. I want my old wife back," is what he was saying. And I had been sick. Medication had caused some real issues with my teeth, and I had lost the majority of them. But it was a hard decision. It was hard for me to make the decision just to come to EON to start with. And finally, in fact, I didn't even tell him I did it. I made the decision, came in, kept the appointment, and went home and said, "I really think we need to do this." But you know how it's. And he said, "No, I think if you're good with this, we'll do this." And 1 week later, I was here. For me, it came down to I'd known people in my family, other people that had had denture issues. I just could not see myself going there. It took me a long time to make up my mind that implants were the way I wanted to go. I knew I didn't want to do the other things, but once I made up my mind, it was easier. I just could not see myself. My father-in-law, for instance, had dentures, and he was always kind of after a meal cleaning his teeth and making funny grimaces, and I could just see my grandkids going, "Grandma, what are you doing?" No, I was not going there. This has been really good. It's been really comfortable. It was a really good decision. My experience was absolutely positive in every aspect. From the first people I met at the desk all the way through the entire process. I could not have been happier. The whole procedure went so well. I had no pain, absolutely no pain. Swelling, yeah, you got swelling. I was back to work the next day, and I was on vacation the next week. I spent a lot of time hiding behind my hand, smiling with my mouth closed. I look back at my children's wedding pictures, and there I am smiling with my mouth closed. And when you smile with your mouth closed, your smile isn't really you. It doesn't reach your eyes. Now I smile a lot. People have told me it took 10 years off my life, so I'm good with that. It's definitely made an improvement in my appearance. It's back to being me. And my husband says he has his wife back now. So I'd tell you, if you're sitting on the fence, you want to do this. Do it, because it changes your life. I'm back to being me. I think that's probably the greatest improvement anyone could ask for.